Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Since you're here, you are probably interested in Inktober this year. So I did wanted to let you know that I will be doing the Inktober. It will be on my Patreon and I will upload 31 videos daily for the entire October, where I will be inking and painting a different floral each day. Also, if you're not keen on sketching, I will provide a high-resolution sketches for every painting so you can download it for yourself, trace it, and join in the Inktober fun. Each video will contain step-by-step painting process of each flower. You can join in as my patron for just a symbolic price for month of October, or you can purchase the entire collection with 31 step-by-step videos and have it forever to go back whenever you like and do it in your own pace when available. But don't wait with that, because I do have a promotional price for the entire collection until the end of September, and afterwards price will be a little bit higher. So I truly do hope you will check the link in the description box, get a little bit more information about the Inktober and about the ways to join in. And I guess I hope I will see you there. Bye!